video, pag-uusapan po natin how much is my 4-year dividends in BSU MPC. So, nag-start po tayo noong 2019. This is not to brag the figures, pero isi-share ko lang din para makita ninyo yung talagang totoong figures and kung magkano ang ating dividends for 4 years na nag-i-invest dito at kung magkano nga ba yung nilagay natin para magkaroon ng ganong dividends. Noong 2019, meron po tayong ipon at naghahanap tayo kung saan pwedeng i-invest. Yung isang churchmate ko po, nirecommend po ang BSU MPC na pwede nating paglagyan ng ating mga ipon. So, September 6, 2019, I started investing 10,000 pesos as my share capital, but before they let me invest, they required me to attend their pre-membership education seminar at Bonifacio, Baguio City. So, noong January 8, 2020, dinagdagan ko ng 10,000 pesos kasi nga sabi nila noon na ang regular membership should have 20,000 share capital. September 14, 2020, I added 1,000 pesos only, kaya meron na po tayong 21,000 na share capital. So, noong March 8, 2021, I received dividends na 947.67 and a patronage refund po na 27.29. Noong April 10, 2021, nagdagdag ulit po tayo ng 5,000 na share capital. And noong November 16, 2021, merong naidagdag na 1,000 pesos sa ating share capital at total of 27,000 na po ang ating na-accumulate na share capital. So, noong March 24, 2022, meron po tayong na-receive na dividends na amounting to 1,472.72 and meron din pong patronage refund na 165.22. Tumataas po ba o hindi? Tumataas syempre. The higher your share capital, the higher your dividends is. Let your money work for you para hindi laging nakaasa sa inyong active income. August 20, 2022, meron pong naidagdag na 1,000 sa ating share capital kaya ang total share capital po natin is 28,000. So, noong February 15, 2023, namigay na po sila ng dividends for the year of 2022 na 9.29% and yung patronage refund is 7.97%. So, magkano ang ating nakuha? So, meron pong 1,848.21 na dividends and meron din pong 361.14 na patronage. So, noong March 18, 2023, 2,000 po ang naidagdag sa ating share capital. And noong November 18, meron na naman pong 1,000 ulit na naidagdag. So, a total of 31,000 na share capital. Kaya po noong March 22, 2024, nagbigay po sila ng 10% na dividends for the year of 2023 and meron po tayong nakuha na 3,075.78. Ayun nga lang, wala po tayong patronage refund kasi hindi po tayo umutang. So, meron pong 9% na binigay ang kooperatiba sa kanilang members. So, noong March 9, 2024, meron na naman pong 1,000 na naidagdag sa ating share capital. A total of 32,000. So, guys, transparent po ang ating vlog today. This is not to brag, but to look kung totoo ba na may dividends akong nare-receive sa kooperatiba. Guys, make a way to increase your income. Kung may trabaho, then let your money work for you by investing. You may not spend now like some of your colleagues do. At least you don't spend but you save for the purpose of investing it instead. So, yan lang po ang ating video for today. Once again, this is Ibing Get Grace saying sharing is caring. Bye. See you.